Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Ipsy unboxing for you guys. I was on vacation all last week and when I got back I was surprised to see this in the mail, a box from Ipsy. I wasn't sure that they were going to renew me for another quarter with sending me the Ipsy Glambag and Ipsy Glambag Plus. But it was such a nice surprise when I saw this box at the door. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending this to me. This is gifted from Ipsy. They have been sending me both Glambag and the Glambag Plus for the last couple of months, and so I'm not sure how long they're gonna keep sending this to me, but I will take it 1 month at a time and just be super grateful and thankful for this. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. This unboxing is for the month of July 2022, and these are the two bags. This is so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do the glam bag first. So the regular glam bag is, I believe, $13 or $14 a month. I'll have all of the pricing in the description box below, but this is the color this month. So pretty, and I love the textured design on it. It feels like, you know, beach waves. Look at that. And a starfish. Oh my gosh, this is one of the prettiest bags I've seen. A+ Ipsy on the bag itself. I have been keeping all of this, and honestly, my mom, every time Ipsy arrives, she wants this bag. And so I'm like, wait a minute. One time I saw her inside her bigger bag. She had like 3 Ipsy Glam bags, and I was like, so that's where they were going. But anyways, I love my mom. That's okay. We share things anyway. So guys, the theme for this month is Soak It All In for July 2022. I love the colors. It has like that mustardy yellow and blue. Such an awesome combination. It says show your style, make a splash. There's a QR code here that you can scan now. I think that's new to me. But basically it takes you to a website that talks about the theme for the month, teaches you how to apply sunscreen, 13 ways to self-care in the summer, and of course skincare products that are great on vacation. I actually have a video coming up with that same topic, so be on the lookout. My favorite skincare items that I bring with me during the summertime. First item in the box is the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So I've tried this before. I never ended up getting the full size. This is actually a 8 ml bottle, so it's smaller than their deluxe sample size. Their deluxe size is around $16, but full size of this is about $48, guys. This is very silicone-y. It has a very silicone-y feel, and I think the packaging has changed since I've last used it, but it's good at pore filling and just smoothing out the pores. The good thing is this is oil-free, so it's amazing for oily skin folks. The next item I'm super excited about, this is the Max Stack Mascara. So look at the packaging. Look at that little like crystal ball in the middle. I love this. So I took it out. This is what it looks like. Even the sample size is already beautiful. It's $28 full size, and I'm super excited about this one. Look at the wand right there. It looks like it's something that I would definitely use. Beautiful. So it's great at lengthening and volumizing. Next item in the bag, I haven't really heard of this, the Gold Faden MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. Now, I've never heard of this brand before, but it got me curious because when I researched it, this is a very expensive moisturizer. I think it's around $70 or $78, $75 for a 2-ounce moisturizer. Now, usually serums are expensive and moisturizers are more in the $30 to $40 affordable ranges, but this one is $75. Now I'm so curious about this. Now I have to try it. Now this little tiny sample size alone is actually $25 on their website. This is a 0.5 fluid ounce bottle or tube, and this is supposed to even your skin tone while you cleanse. I gotta test this product for sure. And then we got an eyeliner pencil, and I believe we got one too last month, so I am going to save this for a giveaway. This is by the brand Prestige. It's a waterproof eyeliner slash contour pencil. This is a full size one and it's $8, and this is in the color bronze. I love bronzy eyeliners for the summer because it's not as harsh, like it's more on the brown side, so it just gives you kind of like a glow from within kind of thing around your eyes. So I love bronzy colors, so this will be in a future giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I have reached 1,500 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone who supported me. So be on the lookout for a future giveaway because definitely one is coming up. Maybe by the end of this video I'll be able to make up my mind, so stay tuned. And then next one is the Osea Clean Ocean Cleanser. So it's another cleanser. That's funny that we got two cleansers that are sample size. This one though is a bougie brand. I saw this being sold at Nordstrom as well as Ulta. And this is not the full size bottle, but I can't wait to try this one. This is an $18 deluxe size. It's a cleanser that's supposed to clarify, energize, and exfoliate the skin. So love that. Another cleanser that I can't wait to try. This is supposed to be great for combination skin, but also for normal skin. And this is vegan, cruelty-free brand. I love the packaging. It's glass. Wow. That is everything in my glam bag. We've got the Osea cleanser, or Osea, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, the Gold Fade and MD, the eyeliner by Prestige. We've got the MAC sample mascara and a sample Smashbox photo finish primer. So that's everything in this bag. The total value of this bag is around $50. I will put the price right here. Not bad for like a $13 to $14 a month bag, right? And again, if you would like to subscribe to Ipsy, I will have a link down in the description box below. Next one, guys. I love the wavy bag, like, and the yellow and the blue. It's such a nice pop of color. It says Ipsy right there. I hope you guys can see that. But I don't know, I love these drawstring bags. I'm still trying to figure out how to repurpose it though, but definitely I can put my masks in here. Like, that's what I like to use them for, and it's spacious and big enough. Next one, the Ipsy Glambag Plus for July 2022. So this is $25 a month subscription. I think the pricing has gone up. I'll make sure to put it over here. You get 5 full-size items in this bag. So first item is actually what I'm super excited about. The Murad Acne Control Oil Pore Control Mattifier SPF 45. Okay, so I have to say my skin has changed over time. I'm not as acne prone anymore, but I still appreciate the oil control. And with SPF 45, oh my gosh, I love Murad when it comes to skin concerns and acne concerns. I love their cleanser. So this is another good one. Look at that. I'm so excited that I got this. This is a full-size 50 ml bottle or tube, and it is $48 regular. I can't believe this is in my Ipsy. Wow. Next item is a palette. It's a brand by Wing Me. I've never heard of this brand before. This is the Ambitious Violet. And look at the packaging. Wow. Beautiful packaging. This is a $24 palette. It's cruelty-free and vegan. There are no mineral oils or phthalates. And these are the colors. Oh my gosh. I want to touch that purple right now, but I have to restrain myself because I do have a lot of similar colors in my collection. So I am going to save this again for a future giveaway. Next item in the bag is Kiss My. It's by Rowan Liquid Lip Balm. Okay, this is full size. It's $26. And look at that. Oh, this looks like my kind of nude color. Like it has that brownie tint that I like. This is in the color Charlie, and Charlie is a dusty rose according to their website. But look at the packaging. It has that glass top. Oh, I want to keep this so badly, but I won't because I just bought so many lip balmy type of lipsticks. If you've seen my video on Ilia, I did a lip swatch of all the Ilia lip balms, all 8 colors of them. And then I finally bought like 2 full size for myself. So I think I'm okay in the lip balm category. And then plus my daughter and I went to the lip lab in Las Vegas and we got our custom made lipsticks by Bite Beauty. So I think I'm gonna give this to someone who will truly appreciate it. This is a vegan, cruelty-free brand, so I think a lot of people will definitely love this. So this will be, again, in a giveaway. The next item is by Item Beauty Boost Juice. It's a dual-ended lash primer. And it's funny, this packaging is so cute because you could just pull it out and it's like kind of perforated already right there, so you can pull out the mascara. But I am going to save it just in case I decide to put this in a giveaway. But I think I really want to try this Item Beauty. So it's 2-sided. You know what, I'm keeping it. I'm opening the tube already. It's blue. Why is it blue? It's a lash primer. This side is lengthening and this side is volumizing. It's funny though. Oh, it has a purple tint. Okay, this got me really intrigued. Okay, this Item Beauty is actually a brand by Addison Rae. Now, this is my first time hearing about Addison Rae, and it just goes to show that, you know, there's so many YouTubers and personalities out there that no matter how big they get, there's just so many other people out there that don't even know, you know. Maybe I'm the last person that don't know. This brand is actually at Sephora. This lash primer is $18. So I guess Addison Rae is the highest grossing TikTok personality right now. So she's so young. Like when I looked her picture up, she's so young. I'm proud of her and props to her. But yeah, so this is her own makeup line. Beautiful. It's vegan, cruelty free. This is supposed to volumize and lengthen. I can't wait to try this. I think when it comes to mascaras, I have to keep it. I think that's one of my weaknesses are my lashes. Like I need to have that perfect mascara that does everything. So I'm always on the hunt for them. Last one is Avrani Balance and Restoring Serum. Again, another full-size item. And this is a 50 ml bottle and it costs $60. I love the packaging. Look at that. I wonder if this is like a black-owned beauty. Look at the bottle. It is so beautiful. I really want to keep this. It's blue. It's like a toning polish, minimizes the appearance of pores, reinstates natural moisture barrier, and helps calm the skin. So it contains tea tree oil, cucumber extract, chamomile. Okay, now I know why I want to keep this. Now the tea tree is really good with acne prone skin. I mean, I have the oil itself. But it has chamomile and cucumber extracts, all very hydrating and kind of calming ingredients. And I have to say, like, any kind of balancing serum is so amazing on the skin because it just kind of restores and resets the skin. Balancing serums are like my go-to when I was in a very hot, humid weather in Las Vegas, and it just saved my skin. Oh, I think I'm gonna keep this. Okay. So that is everything. I've got the balancing serum by Avrani. I've got the lash primer by Item Beauty, the Rowan Kiss Liquid Lip Balm, and then we've got an Ambitious Violet eyeshadow by Wing Me. This one right here, beautiful. And the Mu Red Oil Control Pore Refining Mattifier. It has SPF 45. We need this in the summertime. So that is everything in my Ipsy Glam bags. What do you guys think? I think this is an amazing, amazing month. July has to be one of the best months. The total value of my Ipsy Glambag Plus is $176. Not bad for like $25 to $30 a month subscription, right? And again, this was sent to me and gifted to me by Ipsy for free. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending me these products. I kind of want to do a comparison between like PR products that are sent to me by Ipsy versus like a personalized, subscription for myself. So something that I would pay for. So if you are interested in like a comparison video, I can do like 1 month subscription with Ipsy and see what I get, just to see which one's better, right? But if you're interested in that kind of video, let me know in the comments below. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.